My dear students of class 10 of Sayabiti Society High School in Gazipur. Dear students, I would like to take an English class for you today. The topics of this class is degree. In these topics, you must know about the degree and how to use and transform the sentence in your scripts. You know that degree is used on the basis of adjective and adverb, and there is three kinds of degree. We can see there a classification graph of degree. Number 1, positive degree. Number 2, comparative degree. Number 3, superlative degree. And there is used a symbol of positive degree as D1. That means degree number 1. There is used D2 as a symbol of comparative degree. That means degree number 2, comparative degree. And there is used D3 as the symbol of superlative degree. We know that positive degree is used in a sentence if there is no any comparable word in any sentence is a positive degree. That means positive degree has no comparable word. Number 2, comparative degree. If there is a compare between two things or person is a comparative degree, and if there is a compare among the persons or things is superlative degree. Here we can see there are three kinds of sentence. Number 1 sentence is Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. Number 2, no other city in Bangladesh is as big as Dhaka. And number 3, Dhaka is bigger than any other city in Bangladesh. Here the biggest city, the biggest is the D3. D3 is formed from D1 big and D2 bigger and D3 biggest. So we can say that Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh is the superlative degree. Number 2, no other city in Bangladesh is as big as Dhaka. Here, as big as Dhaka. Here big is D1. Before I said that biggest is formed from big. So big is D1. D1 means positive degree. When we transform this sentence into positive degree, we can form it in this way. No other city in Bangladesh is as big as Dhaka. And the number 3, Dhaka is bigger than any other city in Bangladesh. Here we can see that there is bigger. Bigger is an adjective of comparative degree. Bigger is formed from big. Big is positive degree and bigger is comparative degree, and biggest is superlative degree. When we transform no other city in Bangladesh is as big as Dhaka into comparative degree, we use it in this way. Dhaka is bigger than any other city in Bangladesh. So we are able to learn about 3 kinds of degree. Above this sentence, we can also see that there is a 3 sentence. There are 3 sentences. Number 1, very few poets of Bangladesh are as great as Kazi Nazrul Islam. It is positive degree because we can see there a great. That means great is the one form of degree. Here we can see the one form. We know that this sentence is positive degree. And number 2, Kazi Nazrul Islam is one of the greatest poets of Bangladesh. We can see there is a greatest word. It is an adjective and it is formed from great. And this form is D3. We know that D3 means superlative degree. When we change the sentence, very few poets of Bangladesh are as great as Kazi Nazrul Islam, into superlative degree, we use in this way. Kazi Nazrul Islam is one of the greatest poets of Bangladesh. And we can see that there is 3 number of this sentence. Kazi Nazrul Islam is greater than most other poets of Bangladesh. Here is a word, greater. It is an adjective and it is formed from great, and this is D2 form. D2 form means comparative degree. When we transform number one sentence and number two sentence into comparative degree, we have to use in this way. Kazi Nazrul Islam is greater than most other poets of Bangladesh. So, my dear students, we know about the degree and its classification and the transformation of degree, transformation of sentences, or the changing sentences of degree. You must know that degree change is very easy method. So you have to do homework. In this sentence number one, we can see Rana is the best boy in our class. It will turn into positive and comparative degree. And number two sentence, she was more intelligent than most other students in our college. It will be turned into positive degree and superlative degree. Thank you very much. Thank you everybody.